mathematicians. As a little bit of review of area and perimeter, we're going to play a game today. It's called the area and perimeter game. And this is your score sheet. And then this page and this page are the playing cards. You have this in the back of your math journal, activity pages 14 and 15. It would be best if you cut these out and play it like a card game where you draw the top card and that would be the card that you chose. But if you don't have a math journal, like you're new to the class or you're at a different house today, then use this digital one and you'll just pick one of the cards instead of drawing it like a deck of cards. Okay, so when you pick the top card, you will write the card number right here, and it says the card numbers at the bottom left of each card. You are going to choose, well, first off, you have to find both the area and perimeter because you want to get the highest number. And the area and perimeter are usually going to be different numbers. So you want to do both of those, finding out the area and perimeter in order to get the higher score or the higher number. I'll give you an example. Okay, so they want us to find area and perimeter. I'm going to do perimeter first. And remember, the perimeter is the outside of the shape. I'm going to do this one. Okay, so in order to find the perimeter, I would go and count each side. So here's 1, stopping at the line, 2, 3, 4, there's 4 on that side, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so 14 would be my perimeter. And then to find the area, I can either look at how many rows and columns there are and multiply them together, or I can count how many boxes or how many squares there are inside of this shape. I'm going to see the rows and columns. So there's 1, 2, 3 rows and 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. So 3 times 4, I know that equals 12. So I want the bigger number, and look, 14 is the bigger number, so I'm going to put perimeter up here. Then you'll need to show how you found the perimeter area. So I guess you could do whatever work I just did down here. You probably just want to do it right up here so you don't have to do it twice. And then you say your score right here, which is just whatever the answer is to the area or perimeter that you found. Okay, you should do this with a partner in order to know who wins the game. You want to add up your score at the end and see who has the higher score. But if you don't have somebody to play with, that's okay. You can play this by yourself and just keep drawing cards. All right, so I want to see all 1 through 5. Those all need to be filled out. So you're going to pick up 5 different cards, or if you don't have the journal, you'll just pick 5 different cards. And sorry, I forgot to mention that there's these down here too that you need to be picking from, the ones without the lines. Okay, so have fun with this, and this is great practice for finding area and perimeter. Have fun!